Okay, next question है question number 28. इसमें दिया है the primary and secondary coils of an ideal step down transformer consists of this turn. So these are the number of turns in primary coil. These are the number of turns in the secondary coil. When the primary coil of this transformer is connected to 40 volt way. So this is the volt of the primary coil. The current in the primary coil. This is the current in the primary coil. We have to calculate the voltage across the secondary coil. ओके आपको जो जो इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है लेट्स राइट इट डाउन तो नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स इन प्राइमरी कॉइल है 650 देन नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स इन सेकेंडरी कॉइल है 25 voltage given to the primary coil is 240 volt current given to the primary coil is 1.5 ampere ओके अब इसको आपने यहाँ पे जो कैलकुलेट करना है you have to calculate V in the secondary coil. So we know that Vs by Vp is equal to number of turns in secondary by the number of turns in primary. आपको ये calculate करना है तो Vs is equal to number of turns in secondary over number of turns in primary into the potential given to voltage of the primary coil. And is at 25 650 sorry. Yeah, 650 into this one is 240. This gets cancelled. 5 5 that is 25. This is 13. Now 5 into 24, 5 over that 25 to the 10, 120 by 13. Okay, which gives me 9.23. So here was like a 9.23 volt. Okay, second part में क्या पूछा है the voltage निकालिए the current in the secondary coil आपको निकालना है we have to find the current in the secondary coil so number of turns in secondary by number of turns in primary is related to the current as inversely so I1 by IS number of turns in secondary है 25 primary है 650 okay और the current primary में है 1.5 we have to find the current in the secondary just cross multiply this so IS equal to हो जाएगा 650 into 1.5 by 25 ये चला गया that 15 50 just cancel 13 this is equal to 39 ampere okay अब आपसे पूछा है the average power delivered to the output circuit so average power delivered to the output circuit P average output में इसका मतलब है P is equal to रहता है V into I output अक्रॉस मिलेगा आपको सेकेंडरी तो VS into IS ये आपका आया था this was 120 by 3 so 120 by 3 and current in the secondary coil was 39 okay this is equal to 360 watt is the average power delivered to the output circuit